we are going to discuss special cases of linear programming problem. You can see here the problem is maximize z equal to 40x1 plus 30x2 subjected to the constraint 1x1 plus 2x2 less than or equal to 40 and 4x1 plus 3x2 less than or equal to 20, x1 and x2 greater than or equal to 0. So the feasible region, I get it as this sky blue region. Okay. So in order to get the feasible region, so we have to follow the process of solving linear programming problem that we discussed in the yesterday's class or the class of minimization problem. So this sky blue region is the feasible region. And we know that the solution to the problem lies in the corner points. And this sky blue region has got 4 corner points. So which are those 4 corner points? The first corner point, that is A, it is 0, 20. The second corner point is 0, 0. Which is the third corner point? Just now, which is the third corner point 0? Let's see.
30, 0.
30, 0. 30, 0 is the third corner point. And fourth corner point, I have marked the fourth corner point, which I get from this graph. I can look at this graph and find out that the fourth corner point is 24, 8. So we have got 4 corner points, 0, 20, 0, 0, 30, 0, and 24, 8. Now I am going to substitute this corner point into the maximization function. What is a maximization function? Maximization function is z equal to 40x1 plus 30x2. First corner point is A, 0, 20. For A, which is 0, 20, we get z equal to 40 into 0 plus 30 into 20. It is equal to 600. Now I am going to the second corner point. Second corner point is 0, 0. For 0, 0, what will be z? Z is equal to 40 into 0 plus 30 into 0. That is equal to 0. Next is corner point C. For corner point C, it is 30, 0. For 30, 0, we have z equal to 40 into 30 plus 30 into 0. That is equal to 1200. Now we have got one more corner point, which is 24, 8. I get z equal to 40 into 24 plus 30 into 8, which is equal to 1200. Now you tell me, what is the corner point at which z is maximized?
C and B.
C and B. Okay, C and B are corner points at which we get maximum value for z. So that means this problem has got multiple solutions. So the solution is not limited to one set of points. You can conclude that this problem has got multiple optimal solution. Okay, so you can write that it has got multiple optimal solution, and the maximum value of Z equal to 1200. So you can write that.